This meeting is now being recorded.
The Spanish IFSP is available on all IFSPs that have been entered in the Early Intervention Data System. Users have the option to utilize the Spanish IFSP, however, users can still use their current method for translating IFSPs. To create a Spanish IFSP, navigate to your client case. Select New IFSP if you're creating an initial IFSP, or create Review if creating a periodic or annual review. If creating an initial IFSP, populate the meeting date, once you save the record, go to the IFSP home. In the top right-hand corner, you're going to see three new buttons: Print, View in Spanish, and Translate to Spanish. If you are going to be entering the entire IFSP in Spanish, go ahead and select View in Spanish. Here, users will be able to enter the entire IFSP in Spanish. If a user is going to be entering the IFSP in English and then translating to Spanish, the user will need to go ahead and enter all of the text, the dialogue, make sure you save the entire document once you're ready to have it translated. Once the entire IFSP is complete and it is saved, you're going to go up to the top right-hand corner and select Translate to Spanish. The Translate to Spanish is the behind the scenes that is prepping the document to be viewed in Spanish. So here you'll see after we select Translate to Spanish, everything is still in Spanish. Once we select View in Spanish after the page is finished loading, everything will now be translated to Spanish. Once you're ready to save and print, go ahead and save. And print your document. If a user has entered the entire document already in Spanish and needs to translate it to English, once the complete IFSP has been saved, select Translate to English. And then select View in English. It's important for users to make sure that they're selecting the Translate prior to viewing. The Translate, as I mentioned before, is the behind the scenes that is getting the document ready to be viewed in Spanish. So all IFSPs that are in the data system are currently available to be viewed in Spanish. Here, you can navigate to a client case. And if the IFSP is there, go ahead and select it. You'll have to select Translate to Spanish, so it will translate the entire document, and then View in Spanish. These are test cases, so there's not a lot of information that has been entered. And that concludes the Spanish IFSP.